Good morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some very nice conditions out there this morning, mostly sunny skies. Seeing temperatures rise up in the upper 50s to lower 60s this morning. Going to see those temperatures continue to climb in the upper 60s today. So a really nice fall day across the Delmarva Peninsula with high pressure in control. Looking at our sounding from this morning, our freezing level is at 11,700 feet. Winds in the low levels are northeasterly around 10 knots, and then see that wind change in direction from 1,000 to 3,000 feet to the westerly component, and anywhere from about 5 to 10 knots up to 6,000 feet. And then we see our winds start to increase, seeing some winds increase up to 63 knots out of the west-southwest at 25,000 feet. Looking at our surface analysis this morning, we have a area high pressure overhead giving us those chilly temperatures to start out today, but that'll continue to allow us to have very nice conditions over the region for the next several days until we get into the second half of the weekend. We'll see some rain showers possibly moving into the region. Looking at our satellite imagery this morning, you can see we have mostly clear skies out there, just a little bit of low cloudiness off to the south and to the east. See some upper level cirrus cloudiness across the south and east as well, and just a very small fraction of the sky being covered by those clouds this morning. Looking at our radar imagery, not seeing anything on the radar, not expected today, and not expected for the next several days. Looking at our 3-kilometer NAN today, we'll have some rain showers out over the Arklatex region and a storm system building across that area. Here's Friday afternoon. See a good amount of rainfall across that region. Just seeing some more cloudiness across our region for Friday. And for Saturday, looking like we'll have a warm front moving through the region, possibly giving us a brief sprinkle late Saturday, but most likely any of those rain showers would be confined to the northern portions of the Delmarva Peninsula for our Saturday evening. Taking a look at the GFS for the long-range forecast, here's Thursday, very nice conditions. Friday, once again, a very nice day with high pressure in control. Saturday, we'll have that storm system moving up into the Ohio Valley with a warm front stretching and moving through our region for Saturday evening. That'll provide us with that slight chance of a rain shower, but most likely those rain showers and the bulk of the precipitation will be confined to Pennsylvania and northern Maryland for our late Saturday. And then for Sunday, we'll see a area low pressure move through the eastern Great Lakes with a cold front stretching down through our region, and that'll provide us with a chance of rainfall. The GFS here is really showing a good amount of rainfall. I expect it to be more scattered than this, as well as a delay in the precipitation towards our Saturday afternoon and evening. And then for our Monday morning, looking like we'll have good conditions, high pressure building in over the region. And for Tuesday, models really in a disagreement of what's going to happen. GFS brings another disturbance up from the southwest into the upper level southwesterly flow to our region that could provide us with some rain showers. But right now, that kind of looks not very certain, with the European showing more dry conditions for Tuesday, with a possibility of rain showers on Wednesday with a cold front moving through. So once we get into the early to middle portion of next week, the weather model is really having a tough time figuring out this pattern. And right now it looks like it should stay dry for Monday and Tuesday. So looking at our risk chart for today, we'll have a high around 68 degrees, onshore flow about 5 to 10 knots today, and we'll have variable winds less than 5 knots tonight for our subtech launch. Looking at our overnight low around 49 degrees, and our 24-hour terminal forecast will have VFR conditions for the next 24 hours with just an increase of upper level cirrus cloudiness overnight. Our tides are currently normal, and looking at Friday and Saturday, we'll have green chart across the board for both days. Friday will be partly to mostly cloudy and pleasant with a high of 70 degrees. Friday night, mostly cloudy and mild, a low of 53 degrees. And for Saturday, mostly cloudy to overcast and seasonable, a very slight chance of rain shower late with a high of 68 degrees. And then for our next 7 days, we'll have those really nice conditions through the first half of the weekend. Temperatures in the upper 60s to lower 70s through the next 3 days. We'll see that overnight low on Saturday night into Sunday in the 60s, so well above normal, about 20 degrees above normal for this time of year. And then we'll see that cold front moving through for Sunday, providing us with a warm day at 75 degrees with those PM rain showers. Looks like it should be in the afternoon. The GFS does bring it into the morning, but the other models are in more agreement that it should be in the afternoon and possibly even the evening hours on Sunday. And we will have limited instability on Sunday, so can't rule out a thunderstorm Sunday. evening, but it doesn't look likely. Probably only about a 15% chance of that occurring. Monday, we'll have that weak high pressure building in. We'll have fairly mild air mass in place, a high of 72 degrees. Tuesday, we'll have that area high pressure holding on from the northeast states, giving us a high in the upper 60s with onshore flow, more cloudiness for Tuesday. And then Wednesday, we'll have another disturbance moving through and giving us some rain showers possible. As I mentioned, that forecast from Monday through Wednesday of next week is still fairly uncertain, with the models really having a difficult time with the weather pattern and an upper level disturbance coming out of the western United States towards our region. But it looks like right now Wednesday has a pretty good chance of rain showers, and then Thursday we'll have a cold front moving through for your Halloween and possibly giving us a good amount of rainfall for Thursday of next week. Well, that's going to complete our 10 a.m. weather briefing. I hope everybody has a great day. Back tomorrow morning at 8:15 at 10 a.m.